My name is David Robinson. I was looking high and low for a bench chain vise, and Home Depot did not have it. So I came here just coincidentally, and it seems like you guys have everything that I'll ever need. So you'll see me again for sure.
So what was your first impression when you walked in here?
It was kind of like stepping back in time a little bit, but in a cool way. I feel like it's a museum, but I can actually buy some of the pieces from it, and yeah, it's really neat.
So it's a lot more fun than shopping at Home Depot.
Yes, I'd come here over Home Depot any day. Plus the customer service, you can't beat it.
So we didn't have just one chain vise. How many do we have?
I think you guys had like 6 or 7. So, and then Home Depot, that giant store, didn't have one. So.